how I can inspire these kids so that they can be scientists, they can lead the next generation. For me, teaching is not a job, it is a passion. I'm Jestin Palakal from McFarlane School, Northern Territory. I moved to Northern Territory in 2012 from India. It's almost as same as my country, my place. Red soil, mango orchards, weather, all those things are very similar. I like the ways the First Nations do science in their past. It's an opportunity. If I work in a remote school, I will get a first-hand experience with their knowledge. One of the biggest challenges is communication. Cultural knowledge, awareness, all those things are lacking. So I find it very difficult to link with them, connect with them. That is when I get into TESOL. So I enroll with Deakin. Eventually, I get to know their culture. I came to know these are the expectations from the students, and I need to change myself a lot. My strategy is making a relationship with these kids. And for that, you should respect their culture. You should respect the community. There is an offer from my school that they want me to start a STEM academy there. We are not just teaching about science. It's about how, as a person, you got the skill to communicate with other people and how you present your hypothesis or your ideas to others. We brought NASA scientists to our remote school. I flicked an email. I don't expect them to reply, but they replied. And they said, yes, they are coming. It is like they are in a dream because they haven't seen really people who worked in NASA or who went to the space. I can feel the curiosity of those kids, and scientists are really surprised to see from these remote school kids. They are asking such big questions. If someone take that torch and show that lead, there will be a whole lot of people who likes to follow them. And these kids can be the role models for the future generation. That is my wish.